Hi everyone, Dr. Joyce, board certified dermatologist here, and I am back with another video, and today we're going to try something a little different as well. I am going to do an unboxing video. I've done some of these before on my Instagram stories, but this will be my first time doing it for YouTube. Basically, I went on a whirlwind, really fantastic quick trip to Switzerland with the Body Shop recently to celebrate the launch of their new line, and that's going to be a whole other video. Don't you worry. I'm going to share all the details of that incredible trip with you, but when I got back, there was a buildup of boxes on my front porch. And so I figured I will just open them and go through the stuff and show you guys what I got. And hopefully I will not cut myself in the process because I don't know where my box cutters are. First up is this box from Roche-Posay. In this one, what I really liked is that they include studies. I always like looking at the science behind products because A, I'm a total skincare nerd, and B, there are a lot of brands out there that make tons of crazy claims, and I want to know, does the science, does the data back up the claims that you're making? So in this one, this first one, complementary effects of antioxidants and sunscreens in reducing UV-induced skin damage. In this one, they looked at 10 healthy subjects and had them apply either placebo or a product with just antioxidants or a combination of antioxidants and sunscreen. Then they exposed that patch of skin to UV radiation, and then the following day actually did skin biopsies. So they numbed the skin, cut out a little piece of the skin, then put it under the microscope so they could stain it and look for DNA damage. And what they found, surprise, surprise, sunscreens with antioxidants helped to protect against DNA damage and also helped to prevent cellular apoptosis activation, which is kind of a cellular pathway of death. So it helped to prevent that. This study, they're saying evaluation and effectiveness of a sunscreen on subjects of skin of color. So they had 89 healthy subjects of African American and Hispanic descent to use either SPF 30 or 60 for 8 weeks on their face and their hands. And then they were looking to see whether that helped to treat dark spots, dyspigmentation on the hands and the face. And surprise, surprise, it did. So none of this is nothing new. However, it's nice to see that they did the studies and that it shows what we wanted it to show. This last study, clinical and histological evidence demonstrating the benefits of long-term daily photo protection. So this one is showing how multi-center and real-life study included healthy Hispanic women aged 45 to 65, had them use sunscreen 30 and PPD 20, that's a measure of UVA blocking, with 12-month usage, and then they took little samples, and then they could look at the evidence under the skin, under the microscope, and at clinical images and see that there's improvement of photo aging. Thanks for sticking with me through all of that science. I know it was a lot. I'm just gonna go through some of the products with you, and I'm gonna give you my honest review. This isn't sponsored, and even if it were sponsored, I would still keep it real. Let's start with this one. This is the Ant Helios HA Mineral Sunscreen. What I like about it is that it is SPF 30. That's like the bare minimum that I like. It has hyaluronic acid, which is a humectant, which helps your skin hold on to and retain water. That's about it. I have to be honest with you, I tried this before. This one leaves a pretty severe white cast. So even on my skin, it takes me like many minutes and vigorous rubbing to get this to not appear white on my skin. Like I look like a ghost. This one, I will just be honest with you, I don't like using it. Then we hop over to this one, and this one's one of my favorites. This is the Tolerian Double Repair Face Moisturizer UV. It's also broad spectrum. It's SPF 30, non-comedogenic, and it also has ceramides and niacinamides. So ceramides, we know, are kind of like the glue that holds your bricks or your skin cells together, and niacinamide can be anti-inflammatory and also help with acne. I love this one. I've been using this one for a long time. It also comes in a form that doesn't have any SPF in it as just a straight up moisturizer. That's better for nighttime, and then this one's better for daytime. This goes on just like a moisturizer. It is a chemical blocker, that's why it doesn't leave a thick white cast, but this one just does a great job at hydrating the skin, and it's a very straightforward, simple, no frills sunscreen. This one is like a holy grail sunscreen for me. This one is non-tinted, but it also comes as a tinted form. I've been using this product since I was in medical school, and I just became obsessed with it. Every time I came across one of these in a mailer, I would get really excited. This one is the La Roche-Posay Purely Mineral SPF 50 at Helios Light Fluid Sunscreen, and it's just awesome. This one goes on really lightweight. It leaves gives a matte finish, which I like. I don't like looking too shiny because it just looks like I've been running a marathon or sweating all day. It has antioxidants, it's broad spectrum. My preference would be to have this in a tinted form, but if you prefer non-tinted, then this is a great option as well. This one I have never tried before, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try it right now with you. This one is an SPF 70 and Helios UV Correct. It helps to, they say, uneven skin tone, fine lines, and rough skin texture. I'm curious how they do that. It has antioxidants and niacinamide. Oh, I see. Their antioxidant is with Senna alata, a tropical leaf extract. Interesting. I don't even know if you have to shake it up, but I'm just shaking it up here for good measure. This is what it looks like. Oh, that goes on real nicely. Wow, and this is SPF 70. Usually the really high SPF ones go on really chalky. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. It goes on totally invisible, and it has a very moisturizing finish. I would totally wear this all over my body. Like, this would be a wonderful face and body sunscreen. I actually really love this one. I'm so glad that I just tried it out. This is a real winner for me. Okay, the other things in this box are not related to sunscreen. This is the Adapalene Gel 0.1%. It is a retinoid. You guys know how I feel about retinoids. I love them. The alternative to this is Differin, which is also adapalene gel. And this is a wonderful treatment for acne. It can also be used for anti-aging. You just want to start slow, use a small amount, pea-sized amount to the whole face a couple times a week, and then increase as tolerated. So this one says use is for the treatment of acne primarily, but it can also help with anti-aging as well. Here is a retinol B3 serum. B3 is niacinamide, which we talked about before. I actually have not tried this one before, so I'll have to let you guys know how this is. And then this one is a thermal spring water. I feel like this is really great for when I'm on the plane. And I say that because I've been traveling a ton. I was in New York, and then I was in Switzerland, and then I'm going to France, and then I'm going to Italy. So I'm just gonna be on the plane a bunch, but I'm just gonna test it out right now. How do I use this? So it's just like a light mist, helps to hydrate. I think this would be great for the plane. And this one also contains antioxidants. So it's a nice little pick-me-up, great for when you need a little extra spritz. And it's also cooling, so I like that. Okay, that was the Roche-Posay. Let's move on. This one says live, laugh, and wear sunscreen. This is from Dermatologist. This is my friend Fatima. She is a board-certified dermatologist, and she started a subscription box. Oh my god, so cute. This is her summer box. Love it. She always puts a mailer in here, Dr. Fatima Thaz, and talks about all the different things that she includes in here and why. I love it. So what's in here? There's Ulta MD, there's La Roche-Posay, Urban Skin RX, Brush on Block, Inner Glow Vitamins. What a great box for summer. And I've already talked about this one. Great minds think alike. We all love, derms all love similar things, and I love this one. So we already talked about this, so now I have two. Oh, guys, this is the one I'm using right now, every day on my face. The Ulta MD UV Elements. This one has hyaluronic acid. This one helps to protect against the elements with an antioxidant ingredient, helps to protect against UV and infrared radiation. And this one, oh my god, the tint is to die for. Like, I love this product so much. I'm so glad that she included that one. This one I have not heard of before. It is called Sheer Glow. I am gonna have to try this out and let you guys know what I think. So it's a mineral sunscreen with SPF 30 with zinc oxide 12%, 11.6%. So I'm gonna try that out and let you know what I think. And then there is a protective lip oil. I love a multitasking baddie ingredient. And then some Inner Glow vitamins. Interesting. Okay, so these vitamins are made with the main ingredient polypodium leucotomus. And that sounds very familiar to me because that is the ingredient in HelioCare, which is like edible sunscreen, basically. It's a plant extract. It comes from a fern, and it helps to give you some extra sun protection. And of course, this is not going to replace sunscreen. It's used as an adjunct. So for any of my patients who are like red-haired, super fair-skinned, tends to burn, has blistering disorders, has lupus, has extreme sun sensitivity, I have them take this as well. Well, not this specifically. I've never tested this before. I usually have them take HelioCare, which has been totally tried and tested, lots of data behind it. So I'll have to read more about this one, but I'm very intrigued. All right, thank you, Fatima. Okay, next. I totally just cut through their mailer. This one's from It Cosmetics. It says bye bye breakouts. This is a derma serum with 2% salicylic acid, lactic acid, and postbiotic ferment. So basically this is a blend of beta hydroxy acid, that's the sal acid, alpha hydroxy acid, that's the lactic acid, and a postbiotic. Very interesting. I have not tested this product, so obviously I will have to let you know what I think. It comes in this little squeezy bottle here. I'll have to tell you how it is. Thank you. It Cosmetics. This next one is from Beekman. Beekman 1802. There's beauty and kindness. And thank you very much, Beekman. I love the color. It's always yellow. Beekman 1802 Bloom Cream. Daily moisturizer with goat milk and probiotic extract. And what's really cool is that 100% of profits will support the Ollie Florney Center to protect LGBTQ youth. Thank you very much, Beekman. I will try this out and let you guys know. This one is from Navin. I'm not sure. This one is from number 7, and I'm actually doing a partnership with them, so I'm gonna share that with you in a little bit. All right, this one is from Amore Pacific, which is one of my favorite. I actually love their CC cushion. Unlock the secrets. Time. Ooh, this is heavy. This is called Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum. An essential anti-aging booster facial serum got advanced to 5th generation, featuring upgraded gel activator that brings out youth potential of your skin for a healthy and natural glow. I will admit, I don't know what that means and I don't know what's in it, so we will find out. I will let you know. Packaging is really pretty though. Okay, this is the last package. I'm excited for this one. This is KraveBeauty. The founder is Leah Yu, who I had the absolute pleasure of meeting when I was a resident in New York, and she had just moved to New York from Korea, and we were chatting over all sorts of things, skincare, and it was really fun. And it's been many years since I've seen her, but I've been like admiring her from afar, watching as she built her KraveBeauty empire. I've been seeing a lot of press about this Makeup Rewind. It's a transforming jelly oil cleanser. I am so excited to try this one. It basically is a jelly oil cleanser. This is kind of like your first step in your double cleanse routine. This is an oil-based makeup remover that's going to remove all of your makeup and your sunscreen, your impurities. It's made with grapeseed oil, and then after using this, you'll follow this up with a liquid-based cleanser. So I'm really excited to try this as well. Thank you, Leah. So that was it for my first unboxing. I don't really know how to do these. It's my first try, so I'm open to your feedback. If you liked it, if you didn't like it, tell me what you think below. And as usual, don't forget to hit subscribe for my channel, and also make sure to follow me along on my other platforms here like TikTok and Instagram, where I post a lot more regularly. And of course, feel free to leave any thoughts or requests for future videos below. Until next time, bye!